Most Python developers waste hours every single day, not because they're bad coders, but because they're missing 5 dead simple tricks that the top 1% use without thinking. You're about to learn all 5 in the next 2 minutes. Trick 1. Ditch the clunky for loop. Instead of writing 5 lines to build a list, you can do it in one with a list comprehension. Square brackets, your expression, then your loop. Done. You just cut your code length in half and made it instantly more readable. Fewer lines means fewer bugs. That's a win every time. Tricks 2 and 3 go hand in hand. First, always open files and connections using a with statement. That's a context manager. It automatically closes the resource even if your code crashes, killing memory leaks before they start. Second, swap out .format and percent signs for F strings. Just put an F before your quote and drop variables straight into curly braces. Cleaner, faster to write, and actually faster at runtime. Trick 4. Stop tracking index counters manually. The moment you write I equals 0 before a loop, there's a better way. Use enumerate, and you get the index and the value together automatically. And when you need to loop over 2 lists at once, zip pairs them up perfectly, no index juggling at all. Your code reads like plain English, and that matters more than you think. Trick 5 is the one most devs completely overlook, asterisk unpacking. Slap a star in front of a variable name during assignment, and it swallows everything the other variables don't claim. First element here, last element there, and everything in the middle goes into the starred variable automatically. 1 line, 0 loops, maximum clarity. This is what Pythonic code actually looks like. You now have 5 tricks that will genuinely change how you write Python. Here's your challenge. Drop a comment below with your favorite trick from this list, or the one that blew your mind the most. And subscribe right now, because every single week there's a new Python tip waiting for you here.